In today's world, we all desire a smart home where everything can be automated, and even our household chores can be easily taken care of. Our team has been working tirelessly to design a robot that can free up your hands and allow you to enjoy life to the fullest. Floobot X1 has undergone thousands of modifications and tests by our designers and engineers, resulting in its well-deserved recognition as the winner of the RedDot Award for Product Design 2023. The Floobot X1's laser sensor is creatively integrated into the vacuum body to protect it from dust and water stains, solving a common problem in traditional top-mounted laser vacuums. Also, this compact design allows the vacuum to reach under the low-profile furniture easily. With 3000 pascals strong suction and a sonic mopping system, Floobot X1 cleans your floor thoroughly in one go. The pressured mopping pad vibrates 3000 times per minute, effectively scrubbing stubborn stains. The Path Pro laser-assisted navigation optimizes the cleaning route for maximum coverage. It creates an interactive map of your home for setting up no-go and no-mop zones. It recharges and resumes from where it left off. You can also select a room or area to clean on demand. The innovative hand-free self-empty base is equipped with a UV sterilization light, which inhibits the proliferation of bacteria and molds, preventing the spread of diseases and smelliness. The 2.5 liters dust bag stores up to 30 days of garbage, perfectly solving the problem of frequently emptying the dustbin for the user. In conclusion, Floobot X1's revolutionary design, improved intelligibility, and attractive overall shape show professionalism and strength. Its rounded and simple lines add a bionic design concept that integrates nature's aerofluidics. With X1 Floobot, you can enjoy a clean and healthy home effortlessly.